How we doing, guys? Caveman here, coming at you live for the Big Apple Collective. We're going to check out all of the Week 10 games right now. We're still on Sunday night right now. I've had a few beers, a lot of it, and we're going to give you all of our best bets to try and get you a wee bit of value before everyone else takes it away from us. So first game on the board, we have the Colts at the Titans. The handicap here, we have the Colts plus, obviously, Detroit. They managed to get a few points, but everyone's going to do that against Detroit. The Vikings did that against Detroit. So we will take the Tennessee Titans minus 2.5. Get on that right now. I would say by the time we get 5.5 on, so get ahead of the market on that one. The total points on this game is around 50. I'm not prepared to lay aside on that one. 50s are around about where that should be. That was our Thursday night football this week. So getting on to our Sunday night football, we have the first game is the Bengals playing host to the Steelers. The number here is 9.5 now. I think this one could just be a wee bit too tight, especially after how much the Bengals have been coming on and what happened with the Steelers. Sure, take the Bengals. If it gets bet down, then you're probably going to want to go for the Steelers there. Next game on the board, we have the Texans at the Browns. Obviously, the Browns are coming off a bye week. The Browns are -3. The Texans' defense has been absolutely atrocious. Even J.J. Watt hasn't been able to do much for that pass rush. Personally, I'm sticking away from a set on this game. 54.5 right now. I would be leaning the over. I still would like to see how it plays out during the week. Maybe it comes down a point or two, but we'll see what happens. So I wouldn't be rushing to the books to get onto that game. Packers are coming in -14. I'm not a fan of Luton, but he did do okay. So 14 points is a wee bit too much on Jacksonville. I'm not saying that Jacksonville's going to win this game at all, but +14 is way too many points. By the time we get to kickoff, this is going to be about 11.5 to 10 points, somewhere in that range. So get on the +14 right now as a value bet to jump onto right now. The total on that game is 53.5. Jacksonville +14 right now. Next up, we have the. I don't even want to go there. Handicapping, we have the Giants +3.5. I want to pick a side. I think I can get to the mark. It's currently 4, so that one's going to shoot up. I'm not saying this is going to be a we're going into our afternoon games. 4 afternoon games this week. Buffalo Bills at Arizona Cardinals. I think both teams are actually a wee bit overrated. I think they will both probably get into the finals as it is right now, into the postseason. But I don't think they're going 3.5. I'd be looking over I think that's probably going to move up to around 54.5. So 53.5 has a wee bit of value for the over. If you that might be my game. Just saying this to get behind Broncos got a home, but I think I can see that dropping to about 3.5. Maybe gets down to about 3 when we get to game time. I think it's fair. When we look at the total, I don't really want to touch that total right now. That looks to me at a good number they've put out. As 2.5 to the Dolphins. Dolphins team for me right now. I don't want to go near the Dolphins with a pretty good defense. Los Angeles Chargers. So I am staying of 49.